My Italian's not so good, but tank protection V2. It's silly, but Ducati fans, you know, it's like a disease. It's like you can only fulfill your Ducatista needs by buying more Ducati. So today's mod is super simple. And I have to confess, I actually don't even know how much this guard cost. It's my tank guard. Ordered a bunch of other stuff, and I was kind of hanging around $708 or something. Ordered a cheaper neck gaiter, Ducati gaiter, of course. And so I think this was about 60 bucks. $60 for tank protection. Maybe that's expensive, but it's Ducati. So if you're new to Panigale and Ducati world, the stuff is so awesome. Look at this packaging. Ducati. Even the tape, I don't know if you can catch this. Even the tape is Ducati tape. You gotta love it. Yeah, I'm brainwashed. So pretty spotless, right? Oh, there's a little fleck there. It's probably a bug. But Ducati being Ducati, they included a cleaning cloth here with some ISO on it. Get this all polished up, and then we'll be good to go. So typical Ducati instructions come in, I think, 12 languages. But they basically just tell you to adhere to your tank. This is a Panigale tank, but similar lines on the Streetfighter, you have this dividing line. And so this wide part is made to go right over that line. Being super careful here not to touch. Finding the center line of the gas tank and the center of my seat. And then going from the center out. Yeah. Now who's one of the cool kids? I always wear my leathers, so I just don't want to scratch my tank. That's that. Sexy video of my jeans. Not too concerned actually about my jacket. I've got a fully sealed zipper, so just the leather touches my tank when I'm tucking. But the denim, this guy's trying to show myself, but it's the wrong way. I'll flip this around. There you go, Kevlar denim. Not so friendly on your tank where all the seams are. This stuff can definitely scratch this paint. And this is, I mean, it's buttery and nice, but it's buttery and soft, so protection in. So also on my list today, down at Blackfoot, while I'm at it, thanks to Miles and the guys at Blackfoot for hooking up all the accessories and parts for me. I've ordered 2 more things. I think the 2 essentials for what I do because I commute on my bike. And there's just something missing on the V2. And you're probably gonna guess because it's on the V4. And if you haven't done it, you just have to do it. Stay tuned. Next video, more stuff.